Good morning, friends. How are you all? Friends, I am MD Amanul Islam from Bangladesh. Friends, today Sunday. Now is morning. I staying in our village nature area. Friends, I love walking on the winter morning because winter morning is fresh. I love winter morning. Friends, now winter season in our Bangladesh. Friends, I staying in this soil road beside village nature area, crop field area. Friends, I love walking on the winter morning and I love working on the winter morning. Friends, it's pretty cold here. Here is a very cold, so I am very happy. This place is my favorite place. I enjoying this place. Friends, I every day walking on the winter morning in nature. Likewise, now walking on this winter morning. Friends, let's go walking in start. Friends, this is small soil road beside village crop fields. This road, this crop field, this village, beautiful village nature area, landscape of Bangladesh.I village. Friends, I enjoying this place. Friends, I always save the nature. I always love to nature travel. Friends, 2 days ago, I cleaned this road nature area. Now this area is fresh. Now I walking on this small soil road. This very beautiful place. Friends, my favorite place. Friends, walking on the winter morning, it's a very good exercise, which very health good for our health. Friends, I enjoying this place. I travel on this place. I walking on this place. Friend, this place is very beautiful. This morning, oh, it's pretty cold here, but I am happy because this place is my favorite place. I enjoying this place, friend. Thank you so much, friend. Have a good day.